welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a huge Ross try-on haul, but before we begin, this is also a collaboration video with a YouTuber here, and I just wanted to let you guys know about her channel. She does amazing videos and I really love watching her videos, and I highly advise that you guys check it out. So her channel name is Monica ASMR. So she does do ASMR videos and also cooking recipes and baking. So I really love her channel. You really need to check her channel out. You will thank me. And now I am gonna leave a picture of her channel right here, and I am gonna leave her link in the description box. So make sure you guys click that link and check out her channel. Give her some love and subscribe. She is amazing, guys. You will love her. She does such a great job. Her video qualities are amazing. She really takes her time to give you guys really great quality videos. So yeah, make sure guys check her video out right now. Well, wait, after you're done watching my video, then check her video out and let her know that I sent you. One more thing I want to mention before we begin. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. I do post 5 days a week and I just love posting videos for you guys. So why not click that subscribe button and join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. So I got a lot of stuff and I wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I went a little crazy. Guys, they have so much good stuff right now. So the first one I wanted to talk to you guys about is actually this dress. This is a maxi dress. This tie-dye watercolor is so in trend right now. And guys, I absolutely love this one. This is a size medium and this was $4.49. That is insane, and I love the quality. Guys, this is so soft. This is perfect for when you want to look cute and put together, but you want to be comfortable. And then moving on to the next item are these earrings right here. Now, this is the only thing that was not on clearance, but I actually didn't mind paying for these full price. This was $5.99, so it looks like this. I absolutely love it. They are my favorite new earrings. And let me tell you guys, I love these so much because they are light. I hate heavy earrings. If they are heavy, I don't care how cute they are, I'm not gonna wear them. So moving on to the next item is this beautiful dress. So it looks like this. It goes over my knee. It is slightly form-fitting, but it is so beautiful. The sleeves are sheer, and I just feel like it just looks very sophisticated. So yeah, I really love this one. This one I got it in a size 6. And it was $6.49. So original price on this was $15.99. So I thought that was a really awesome steal. The next item is this one, and this is the one that I should have worn throughout this whole video because I feel like this matches it the best. Like, if you can see that, I just love the way it looks. I love the fact that it has this tie design right here, and oh my gosh, I love it. So it's a jumpsuit, and I like the fact that as it goes down to my ankles, it's a little bit more fitted so it does not dangle on the floor. I am 5 feet, so I'm very petite, and I love the fact that they did that because it makes it easier for me to just wear some flat sandals and not have to worry about it dragging on the floor, because a lot of times these jumpsuits or maxi dresses, they tend to be too long on me, so I have to wear either wedges or get them hemmed. So yeah, this is a size large, and this was $3.99. Original price was $9.99. The next item is more of this tie-dye. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. So I got these shorts. I love this for just loungewear, or if I just have to run errands with some maybe like sneakers and a white top. This was originally $5.99 and I got it for $4.99. And this is a size extra large. So with shorts, I always get a large or extra large because I like them a little bit more loose. As long as it has the drawstring, it's perfect. I really love this so much. It is so beautiful. Look at this. And then I also got another pair of shorts. They look like this. So I wasn't sure on these, but I decided to give it a go. I'm so glad that I got them, guys. I absolutely love them. If you guys don't know, I love blush pink, and this crushed velvet is just beautiful. I love the drawstring, the way it is, and they put these cute little tassels. Yeah, this was originally $4.99, but I got it for $3.49. Next off is another jumpsuit. It is this one right here. So it looks like this. I really like this metal detail right here, and yeah, this has pockets. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, The green one also has pockets, the first one I showed you guys. But yeah, this one has pockets. I love that. I love the fact that it ties around here, and it is long. I'm gonna probably get it hemmed, and I got this in a size large. This was originally $12.99, but I got it for $4.99. And then again, another jumpsuit. This I was so excited to find. Oh my gosh. So it looks like this, and I love the fact that this is so stretchy because, like I said, guys, I'm heavy on top, so if this would not be stretchy, it probably wouldn't work out for me. So this is a size, what size are you? Size medium. And originally this was $10.99, but I got it for $4.49. I was gonna say $4.99. So it looks like this. Really beautiful. I just love it. Now moving on to the next item, it's this beautiful dress right here. It looks exactly the same as the green one, but instead of being a jumpsuit, it's a maxi dress. And I love the color. Again, the same type of tie around here. Looks like that. I absolutely love it. And yes, it is pretty long on me because, like I said, I'm only 5 feet, but I don't really care. I'm gonna get that fixed. And this was originally $10.99. It was on sale for $4.49. Now this was one of my favorite finds ever, guys. I've been looking for a top like this for a while and I could never find it. I was so happy that I found it. This is so beautiful. I just love it. I tend to gravitate towards black a lot, but I try to get out of that and get colorful stuff like I did right now. But I just had to get this one. This is so beautiful. So it's a blouse and this is sheer. It has this really beautiful ruffle design right here. And it's like kind of like cuffed here, so it will be more tight around your wrist. So yeah, it looks like this. It has these two buttons right here and it has this opening right here. So this one was originally $14.99, but it was on clearance for $7.99. Really amazing, guys. Like I said, I was so happy to find this. Just the detail, everything is just gorgeous, and it does also have polka dots. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now another piece that I was really excited to find is this really beautiful daisy top. Now it is sheer, so if you guys can see that, it's sheer, but I really wanted to get it because I am gonna put like a black cami underneath, and I was so excited to get this. I was gonna get something like this on Shein, but I never did because I wasn't sure if it was cropped and I just didn't want the hassle of returning it. But guys, this is so beautiful. This is a size large. Yeah, it's a size large. It was originally $6.99 and I got it for $3.49. And I'm planning to style this with my faux leather leggings, or if I find like a faux leather skirt, I want to style this with some booties. So I don't know, we'll see, but that's what I have in mind. I just think this is so pretty. Moving on to my oldest daughter's clothes. This is what she picked up and I wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing that she got is this beautiful dress. It is very sophisticated. So it looks like this. Oh my gosh, guys, I absolutely love this dress. It has 2 layers. So it's like that, and then it has like a nude lining underneath. It is not sheer at all. It's very classy and beautiful. She got this for church, and it also has this zipper, so that way it's easy for you to put this dress on. There's no stretch to it. She's typically a size small, but she got a medium because this is the only one we found. Oh my gosh, I love this. And let me see, how much was this? So this was originally $18.99. It was on sale for $8.99. She also got these pairs of shorts. This is in a size large / extra large, and it was originally $4.99, but it was on clearance for $3.99. And she really likes them. Another thing that I picked up for her is this cardigan right here. She's been looking for a white cardigan for a long time, and I'm so glad that she found it. She uses this typically for going to church, and yeah, so she got this one. This is originally priced at, oh my gosh, I don't even see it. I think it says $11.99, but it was on clearance for $5.49. It's more of a 3/4 inch sleeve. It's not a full sleeve, but she actually likes it, so I'm really glad that she found this one. And this is a size small. She also got this really beautiful dress. So it looks like this, and I love the design. I just think it's perfect for the summertime. Again, she's gonna use this for church, and this was a size medium. It was originally $14.99, but it was on sale for $8.99. So it looks like that. Just love it. It goes over the knee and it's just perfect. Next one is this romper right here. It's really cute. It has this little tie right here with these little tassels. This is a size medium, original price $9.99. It was on clearance for $5.99. Really cute. Looks like that. I just love it, and she really likes it, so I'm very happy that I was able to find some things for my daughters as well. Now this is really sophisticated. So she found this dress and it looks like this. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, I feel like this is like royalty, like a queen would wear this, and I just think it's beautiful. So it has this gold sequence and it's a navy blue, and it looks like this at the bottom. It's just really beautiful. It's very flattering, and this was originally priced $22.99. It was on sale for $8.99, and this was a PM. PM stands for petite medium, so yeah, there's that. And then the last thing that I picked up for my daughter is this blue dress. Now it is slightly similar to that one as far as kind of like the style and the color. That one is a little bit more darker, but it looks like this, and it's pretty long. It's a maxi, so I think I'm gonna have to get this hem for her. But anyways, this is a size medium. It was original price $12.99, but it was on clearance for $6.49. Really awesome. So it looks like this. I love this lace design right here. It's kind of open back like that, but she is gonna wear it with that white cardigan. She was so happy about this, and I know she's gonna look so beautiful in it. Now the last two items I wanted to share with you guys are just baby clothes. I didn't find much baby clothes. When I went there, it was pretty much all wiped out. I was able to find some things for my baby girl, and the first one being is this really cute outfit. So it comes with a jumpsuit, a onesie, and a bib. It's really cute, and this one was originally priced at $7.99, on sale for $4.99. So I just think that was a really great price. This is really beautiful. I just love it. I saw it, I had to get it. And last but not least, guys, I also picked up this cute little set. So there's two onesies and one headband, and this is just so adorable. I love this little detail right here, and this was originally $7.99. It was on sale for $2.99, guys. Now that is insane. So it looks like this. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not really fond of the unicorns. I usually don't like unicorns, to be honest with you, but it was so cute. Honestly, I didn't even mind. But I typically don't buy unicorns. I just don't really like them. But I just think this is adorable, and I like the fact that they're onesie because right now the weather's really hot, so these are perfect. And if I didn't mention, those are 6 to 9 months. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you guys still have not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.